Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to know how your sales are really doing without paying for analytics? In this video, I'll show you the key free reports in EngageBay to track your sales performance. First, go to the Reports section in your main menu. Look for the Sales Reports tab. Here, you'll find the Deals Report. This shows you how many deals are in each stage of your pipeline, their total value, and your win rate. It's your basic pipeline health check. Next, check the Activities Report. This shows the number of calls logged, emails sent, and tasks completed by your team. More activity often leads to more sales. For a time-based view, use the Sales Performance over Time graph. See if you're closing more deals this month than last month. You can also see which sales owners are performing best by looking at the deals assigned and closed by each team member. Filter these reports by date range to analyze specific periods, like last quarter or this month. The free plan gives you enough data to spot trends, identify bottlenecks in your pipeline, and make informed decisions to grow sales. And that's it. With these built-in reports, you can monitor your sales team's performance and pipeline health completely for free. If you check your sales reports, let me know your win rate in the comments. See you in the next one.